steel special moment resisting frame, the structure period is, here it is. 7 stories above the base, and I used the C sub T H sub N to power X, and I used the power 0.1 N. And I have two values. One is based on C sub T H sub N to power X, and the other value, it is 0.1 N, which is alternatively. I got two values. I satisfy both, or this structure can meet or can be the two methods can be used. So which one I'm going to select? I have 0.97 and I have 0.7. And you'll find that the answer, I selected one. Which one did I select? Why? Here it is. Okay, that's what I raised this question. Yes, our friend, he said, pick the smaller one. Why? The smaller one will give you what? A larger V. Is this correct? Yeah, inverse proportion. Okay, so what did I select in my solution? I select answer D, which is not smaller one, the larger one. Agree or disagree? Here it is, problem 6, 7, please. What do you think? If you disagree, don't take me to court, please. Okay, we can, as I always joke with you, because we are getting close to lunch and we start to think about lunch. So, do you agree with me that answer D is the best answer? Why? Okay. Smaller base shear, what does it mean? Our friend, he said, what I agree with you. They are, that's why I mentioned this proportion right now. The smaller T, the larger the V. The larger the T, the smaller V. So if I pick 0.97, it will give me a smaller V, smaller base shear here. What a smaller base shear means is more economical structure. Number one, because I will design for a smaller seismic force. And you may say, is it safe or not? No, it is safe. Because I know probably you're thinking, no, let us use a smaller, which is 0.7. 0.7 will give you a larger V to be conservative. But the question before I follow up with my explanation, is this according to the code? Yes. Is this according to the code? Yes. Both of them according to the current code, and they allowed in the code. In this case, if the code give me the choice, I will pick the most economical. Both of them must be safe based on the code. So I'm looking for the way or the method or the approach to save money to my customer. Okay, if you are building your house, or your wife told me, look, or my wife told me, okay, I need you to build the safest structure for me, I will pick 0.7 for my wife. Because this will be, because I'm going to pay the money. But for the sake of the exam, no, this is the correct one. Okay.